Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZSAN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. Now, sure, there was a little bit of a pullback here, but even, where it closed here relative to where it was yesterday, everybody would agree, yeah, good solid move for sure. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. That's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at the $2.45 mark. Why is $2.45 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.45. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of the previous range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time goes by, and I'm just defining progress as $2.45. So yeah, in my mind, that's a very important level of support. What about areas of resistance? Key level that really stands out to me as far as resistances are concerned is right up here at about $2.85. Yes, I realize the price went above there, but when you look at kind of where the more congestion point was, you got more history right there. So right around there, and then you have more congestion right at that point. So yeah, I mean, $3 is a level of resistance, but before you even think about talking about that, as the chart has shown, I think $2.85 is definitely kind of the current priority level of resistance. But anyway you slice it, very nice day today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.